Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh and today I've got something incredible to share with you. We are diving into a strategy that's been helping beginners make over $745 every day with affiliate marketing. And the best part, it's completely on autopilot. No content creation, no skills needed, and you won't spend a dime on traffic. So stick around for this step-by-step tutorial. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred method to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home just by making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please click the first link in the description, get registered and watch the complete presentation. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars absolutely for free. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content for you. And also drop a comment down below telling me if you are a complete beginner or if you have got some experience with affiliate marketing. Why? Because I want to tailor my content to your needs. Now let's jump into it. First things first, head over to Google and search for an affiliate marketplace. You can find various options in different articles, but for beginners, I recommend checking out with Digistore24. Why? Because it's user friendly and great for newbies. So if you don't have any account on Digistore24, create one, click on register, follow the navigation, then voila, you would be on your Digistore24 dashboard. So once you are on the dashboard, head over to marketplace and search for a product called Freedom Accelerator. So for today's example, we are going to make use of this product, and also it has generated me a lot of commissions just by following the strategy what I'm showing. As you can see, it pays around $745 on average per sale. Alright, now go through the sales page, look for proof of sales and check for urgency elements. And also guys, you can find many other affiliate products in the category section. If you're not interested to follow this product, then you can select your own product in your own niche and follow the exact strategy what I'm showing for the success. Okay, once you're finalized with the product, click on promote and get your affiliate link. For this example, we are moving with Freedom Accelerator. Now let's create some eye-catching promotional material. Take a screenshot of the key parts of the sales page. Maybe the earning proof, compiling headlines, or it can be anything. The next step what you have to do is head over to canva.com. So if you don't know what Canva is, it's a designing platform. If you need some tutorials, then you can head over to YouTube and find how to work on Canva. You'll be coming across with many tutorials. Practice and come back and create your own content. For this example, we are going to search for customizable flyers. Okay, I'm going to select this dimension. Why? Because it's very good for this example. So open a new template with flyer dimensions. Upload the screenshots what you have taken from the sales page. Upload your screenshots, position them strategically and add some text and create a visually appealing image. For this example, I've taken few screenshots from the sales page, and at the bottom I've given some appealing text. So once you're done with your creative, download it and save it in your desktop. Now the next step is advertising. We are going to use Rightly to create a simple ad that will later on promote on a massive platform. So if you don't have any account, then you can please get registered. I'll just leave the link down in the description. You can go ahead and get registered. Once you have signed up, go to ad section and click on create a new ad. And then after, you need to choose a name. For this example, I'll just enter the affiliate product name itself, Freedom Accelerator. And then after, customize the domain. So you have two options. One is .ly and other one is .link. So I will be moving with .link right now and select the evil pop-up format and set a time delay with about 7 to 8 seconds, which would be working really well. And then after, switch to image format. Okay, it's done. Now upload the Canva image which you have downloaded, customize the button text and paste your Digistore24 affiliate link, and then after click on done and finish setting up the ad. Now head over to youtube.com and search for your affiliate product. Here the example is Freedom Accelerator. So once you are done, you will be coming across with many content, and appropriately you can select your own content. For this example, I'm going to select this video, and this is the person who is the owner of this Freedom Accelerator, Monthony. Okay, so what I do is I'm going to copy the YouTube link, head over to Rightly and paste it as a destination link and select the ad campaign you created earlier and click on create the ad link. Then it's done. your ad link is created. Now it's time to show your ad to the world. Again, head over to the YouTube, copy the same video link and download the thumbnail. So you need to visit google.com and there type it like how to download YouTube thumbnail. You'll be coming across with many online platforms. Paste the YouTube link and download the thumbnail. Now it's time that we are bringing the big guns, Pinterest.com. If you don't have any account, then go and sign up right away. Why? Because we are going to create pins on Pinterest.com. And for this example, what I do is like, I'll again head over to Canva.com. All right. And I select dimensions of Pinterest pin and upload the thumbnail which I've downloaded and give some text and call to action buttons over there so that it look little bit interesting. Now head over to Pinterest.com, create a pin using the thumbnail or the creative which I've created on Canva.com. Write a catchy title and description. You can get it from the same video, YouTube video. Make some changes in title and description and paste it in the Pinterest post, and make sure don't forget to credit the original YouTube creator. And at last, paste your rightly link as the destination and click on post. You're done. Here is the magic. Pinterest gets over 1.1 billion views every month. So schedule multiple pins to be published over the next few weeks, or right away. You can do it for 1 month and watch the traffic flow. Every click on your ad can potentially earn you those sweet commissions. Alright guys, as I promised you, I would also like to give you a bonus. And here you can see on the screen, you have got 4 different programs, okay, which cost thousands of dollars, and I'm going to give it absolutely for free. First one is Launchpad Secrets, where it would be helping you to start your affiliate marketing journey. And finally, you learn how to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate. Second program is Get More YouTube Views Organically. This would be helping you out to boost your YouTube channel. And the third program is the Stasho Method. This is my own program, and it would be motivating people to create their own dietary supplement brand without any hustle of product and inventory. And the last program over here is 7 ways to get your first 5 clients. And this would be helpful if you are really interested to start an agency, or if you are doing a freelancing job. All right. And there are few more programs to be added very soon. So those programs are also absolutely for free. Now the question is how to grab these bonuses. The same thing, head over to the first link in the description, get registered and watch the complete 2 hours presentation. Once it is done, you will be receiving an email from our team with information how to get access to these programs. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. With a bit of effort upfront, you can set up a system that works for you on autopilot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment down below to let me know your thoughts. If you're hungry for more money making methods, check out the first link in the description. Have an awesome day. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.